Hello friends, so in this video we will discuss yet another problem which is related to kinematics as well as the concept of relative motion. So let us see what all data are given in the problem. A lift is moving with uniform downward acceleration of 2 meter per second square. So according to the problem, we have a lift which is moving in downward direction with an acceleration of 2 meter per second square. So let me first mark the value over here. The acceleration of the lift given in the problem is 2 along downward direction. A ball is dropped from a height of 2 meter from the floor of lift. So in the problem we have a ball, we have an object or ball which is dropped inside the frame of reference of lift from a height of 2 meters. All these data are mentioned in the problem. Now we have to find the time after which ball will strike the floor. So let us make our observation from frame of reference of lift. This is the initial position of ball, and in frame of reference of lift we have to find the time taken by the ball to reach from A to B. We have to find the value of this time taken by the ball to reach from A to B. So I am making all the observations in frame of reference of lift. I will be using the concept of relative motion for this particular problem. So in frame of reference of lift, while I am observing the ball, I am writing equation of its motion from A to B. I can write the value of initial relative velocity of the ball as seen by observer inside lift to be equal to 0. Relative acceleration will be equal to, I have to write this as uy. Initial acceleration or relative acceleration along y direction will be equal to 10 minus 2, that is 8 meter per second square. I have used the concept of relative acceleration, which is equal to a1 minus a2. Now relative distance that needs to be traveled along y direction for this particular ball is 2, and we have to find the time at which ball will strike the floor. So now I have all the required variables which are needed to solve this particular problem, and with the help of all these variables I can now simply apply equation number 2 or second equation, which will give me the result as s is equals to uyt, which is 0 plus half a t square. So the value of t will be equal to 1 by root 2 seconds. So this is our final desired result.